Welcome to Cornucopia. We're very excited about you joining the world's first hosted learning management system. And let's get started. So if you're on this page, which is the Get Started page of cornucopia.com, or if you're not, if you picked it up at YouTube or Vimeo, go over to cornucopia.com and click on Get Started. Once you click on Get Started, you'll see this demo, along with 3 steps that get you started using Cornucopia. Step 1 is to create your school. It creates the fields that we need to create a school and gives you a user login and password to get started with your school. Step 2 sets up your school with all the specific components that you need to run your school. The amount of periods in the day, the school years, all those items. Step 3 loads your data. So all your users, all your students, all your teachers, all your administrators, all your courses, all get uploaded via simple interface using CSV files. But this particular demo is all about just step 1, creating your school. And this demo resides, ironically, right here. But let's get started. So in order to get started, we have to click this link right here. Click here to create your school. Boom. Brings us to the Cornucopia application. And all we really have to do is fill out this form. Easy enough. So let's create a sample school. We'll call it Sample High School. And our slug is the URL, the subdomain that all of our users are going to use to access Cornucopia. So not the website, but the application itself. So if you see right here, it's join.cornucopia.com. If samplehs is available, it would be all of your users would go to samplehs.cornucopia.com. Okay. We're in the Eastern time zone. We could just keep that the way it is. Our first name is Joe. Our last name is Example. And our email is jexample at, Gmail. Could help if I typed. .com. We're going to create a username. Joe Example. Good enough for now. We're going to give ourselves a simple password, whatever that is. And then we're just going to click Join Cornucopia. Once we join Cornucopia, and I'm going to click it, it can even save our password if we're using some kind of password saver. I want us to say not now. And then it's going to get us to a login and password. So Joe Example, the password logs in. We log in, again, not now. And we are in now the text settings for our new school, Sample HS, see up above right here, samplehs.cornucopia.com. Now that we're in there, there's not a whole lot of data, there's no whole lot of information going on because we just created the school, but we've got the first step to getting started with Cornucopia. The next step, which is over on the web page, goes over settings. So we go to settings and we start to set up our school. So let me go back to the website and we'll go to this next demo, which is step number 2, school setup, and it'll show us how to set up our school. I hope this demonstration tutorial has been helpful for you, and I hope it gets you started to many, many, many years of enjoying the world's best free learning management system. Welcome to Cornucopia.